solve the following inequalities, write the solution set using both interval notation and a number line. Alright, so the first inequality, we have 4x is less than 20. We would just divide through both sides by 4, isolating the variable, and so we have x is less than 5. So now what this tells us is any number that is less than 5 is a solution of this inequality. And so to write this in interval notation, we use the following symbols. We would say, we'd have an open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma, 5, parenthesis. Now, be careful, this is not an ordered pair. This is an interval. And what it's saying is, and without using the variable x, it's saying the solutions to the inequality go from negative infinity and up to 5. We have this parenthesis on the 5 to say it does not include the 5. Now, the number line, if we draw a number line here, and let's put some scale on this. So let's say that there's 0 and negative 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so there's some scale on our number line. Okay, so the interval, we have the interval on the solution on the number line. The solutions are less than 5. So the solutions are to the left of 5. And so we shade the number line to the left of 5, and then we place a parenthesis at the 5 in the direction of shading. Exercise B. The opposite of x over 4 is less than or equal to 2. To isolate the variable, I would multiply both sides of this inequality by negative 4. Now be careful, since I'm multiplying through by a negative number, I must flip that symbol of inequality, and this yields x is greater than or equal to negative 8. So then the interval notation so we have the solutions are greater than or equal to negative 8, so the solutions start at negative 8 and go to positive infinity. So we go from negative 8 to positive infinity. Now since it's an or equal to inequality, since it can include the endpoint, we use a bracket on the negative 8. We place a parenthesis on the infinity, because infinity is not a real number. We can never actually get to that number, and so we can never place a bracket on the negative infinity. A negative infinity or a positive infinity. As far as the number line, let's put some scale on this. The solutions are to the right of negative 8, so we shade the number line to the right of negative 8. And we place a bracket at negative 8 in the direction of shading. So one key thing to sort of remember here is that if we have a less than inequality or a greater than inequality, we use a parenthesis at the end point. And if we have a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, we will use a bracket at the end point.